So I had an idea for a beach themed website template, and after a week of back and forth, this is where I landed. But before we can get into where we are now, we have to talk about where we started. So I started developing the website on Canva, and I was going for a really colorful, beachy vibe. I really wanted some melanin. I wanted to have a neutral feel. I wanted more African American women on the beach, and I finally found that. So I ended up scrapping this idea, which I will be using for the future, and I went on to Showit, and I just started freestyling. And just like that, the hero section is done. The headline is clear, and the call to action leads straight to the products. So I'm about 90% done with the homepage, and I am just seeing how the website functions on the different devices.